dressed up like a ghost or a queen? So would you like a trick or would you like a treat? Ooh, I love Halloween. I can boogie like a monster. I can jump like a frog. I can scurry like a cat. I can spin like a ballerina. Ooh, I love Halloween, where you get dressed up like a ghost or a queen. So would you like a trick or would you like a treat? Ooh, I love Halloween. I can slither like a snake. I can fly like a bat. I can swim like a mermaid. I can sleep like a sloth. Ooh, I love Halloween, where you get dressed up like a ghost or a queen. So would you like a trick or would you like a treat? Ooh, I love Halloween. Ooh, I love Halloween, where you get dressed up like a ghost or a queen. So would you like a trick